How to block someone on the Bigo Live app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then after a few moments, your screen should look something like this. Here, in order to block someone, tap on the search icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the search bar at the top and type in the name that you would like to block. After finding the account, you'll see 3 dots on the top right of your screen again. Simply tap on it. Then you'll see 2 options called report and block. Simply tap on the block option, then tap on block once again to confirm your decision. And this is it. These are some simple few steps to block someone on Bigo Live app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.